channel. This is Priyanka Tiwari, your imperfect charmer. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 different ways on how to style your Indo Westerns. So these styles are going to be like super comfortable, super easy, and most importantly, you might get all of the stuff already in your wardrobe. So without wasting any of our time, let's get into the video. You can always wear any gown dress with some traditional prints on it. Spice it up with some silver jhumkas, a ring, and a bindi. Even any old kurti can do magic if worn without pajamas. Wear it with leather leg tie-ups and a silver necklace to make it more traditional look. And yeah, wow, this is my favorite. Wear your shorts with bright Indian kurti and leather tie-ups and then flaunt like a pro. Hey guys, we're back again. I hope you guys really liked my video, and if you liked it, please like, comment, share, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe because that will be a great support to this channel. And once I'll get to know that you guys are liking it, I will be doing more of it.